Lupin is a pharmaceutical company that develops branded and generic formulations, biotechnology products, and active pharmaceutical ingredients. As part of its digital transformation, Lupin set out to enhance its accounts payable processes. In the past, individual finance teams at its manufacturing plants received hundreds of invoices per month. Processing these invoices was labor-intensive, time-consuming, and costly. To streamline the procure-to-pay processes, Lupin created a financial shared services center. Working with Muraai, Lupin developed automated accounts payable processes powered by OpenText. Today, approximately 75% of paper invoices are scanned accurately on the first attempt, and 25% of material invoices are processed without human involvement. Lupin has improved its P2P cycle time, but most importantly, the new approach enables highly detailed supplier analytics, which Lupin uses to drive strategic sourcing, optimize spend, and protect its margins.